Hey everyone, welcome back to Delft Stack Tech Tutorials. I will show you how to convert your PowerPoint slides into Google Slides. So first, I will show you a very quick method in this easy tech tutorial. I have already opened my Google Drive, so what I'm going to do is go to the Media folder, which is already being shown here. You can see the drop file section. I will just grab this file from here, which I want to convert into Google Slides and drop it easily into my Google Drive. It will just take a few seconds for uploading, and here it is. So I have successfully converted my PowerPoint slides into Google Slides. There is another method too by importing the slides. You just go to your Google Slides, and then you can see the File option. Go to Import Slides, and then you can see there are lots of options given here. I've already uploaded some files here. You can go to Computer or My Drive, or use the Upload section. You can browse it from your device, wherever you have been using it. I will just import these slides from my recents. You can also select the slides you want to import. And now you can see the files are successfully imported into my Google Slides. So this is how you can convert your PowerPoint slides into Google Slides. If this video was helpful to you, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials.